Come on, we're almost done. I can't. Oh god. I just had to poke it. Hey guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today I will be trying on all of the products that I showed you that I got from my IPSY Glam bag for the month of September. Again, I know that it is October. I did receive this bag September 28th. So we've got some blush, some lips, some brushes, eye stuff, brows, pores. Primer is the word I was going for. I've got a wide array here. Yeah, if you want to see how this turns out, stick around. I'm a mess. If you're into this kind of stuff, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I don't even know where I want to start. Let's do brows. This is the Item brow pencil thing that I got. I don't know what's happening to me today. Okay, I mentioned in the last video it is a triangle shape. This is in the shade medium brown. I don't like the triangle shape pencils. I'm not a fan. I would prefer them just be like tiny little micro pencils. It's the Brow Chow Ultra Fine. Is it though? Color-wise, it's like bang on what I would want to use. It is not super duper duper pigmented. Definitely something that you'd be building up.
Just depends on how you look at it. If you prefer that you build it up.
Yeah, I don't mind that at all. The color is perfect. Got this little brush that I absolutely love, the same as the MVP Fenty whatever. I don't know what it is about these brushes for brows, but it is just a game changer for me. Now I need to see if I can create a sister on the other side. Oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna give my opinion as we go here. I really like this. I just did my brows in less than 3 minutes, which is pretty quick for me. The one thing is, I do not like that they don't tell you which side is the brush and which side is the color. They look the exact same. There's no different shape. There's no line that lets you, well, I guess if you're looking closely, different length lids, but yeah, that I don't like that. Fact. Okay, next I'm going to do the eyeliner. So this is the Tinted Bleu Professional Art Liquid Eyeliner, 24 hours. I'm going to see how easy I can do a wing or if I'm going to completely screw up everything I've done on my eyes today. Here we go. It is a felt tip. It's not like a brush.
I don't know how I feel about that yet.
Okay, so doing the wing with this brush was super easy. I think because it's so firm, it's a little bit more controlled. All right, cool. It did not completely screw up my makeup, so my thoughts, it actually is looking a little bit more matte now. Maybe, I don't know what I'm seeing. I love it for doing the wings. It is like a dream. I think I'm actually gonna do, no, I won't. Okay, we're gonna do the blush and bronzer. What is wrong with me? The Pacifica Blush and Bronzer Sunset, Desert Sunset thing. Oh, and this brush is the Shayna B Miami. This is also from the IPSY Glam bag this month. Something smells like sunscreen again. I think it's this. Not like the good like coconut sun tanning lotion, but like the kind of sunscreen that your mom used to slather on you like 10 times a day when you were 8. Okay, I don't mind the contour shade at all. Okay, so for the contour shade, what is that, Desert? I really like that. Moving on to the blush. Meh. That's probably all I'll say about it. It's okay. I don't hate it. This is the same as last month. It's really similar to the blush we got in IPSY's bag from August. It's just super matte. I wish there was like a little bit of sheen to it. I think this is one that could be super pigmented if you picked up too much, so I'd say be careful with that. Oh, and I'm gonna do the highlight. We're doing the Estate Baked highlight. Why can't I say that? When I swatched it, it was fantastic, so I have high hopes for this. Ooh, buddy. Yes. This is fantastic. I cannot believe that's intense. That is super, super intense, super pretty, super surprised by that just because the brand seemed to not have that going for it last time. Yeah, because I'm updating as we go. I love this. I think the packaging always seems a little cheap with this company. This highlight, holy scheiße. Okay, the last thing I have to test. I broke this in the unboxing. I don't think it's my fault. I feel like it should not have snapped the way it did. Yep. I'm going to try to apply this. Oh Lord. Oh, sorry, this is the, I don't know how to say this, Maelle, May. It's like a tinted lip balm, I think. It's much more tinted than I thought it was going to be. Oh no. Come on, we're almost done. I can't. Oh God. I just have to poke it. It is not hydrating at all. I guess I thought it would feel more like a lip balm, but it's not. My lips look like they're just peeling apart. After all of that, this is by far my least favorite product that came this month. Number one, it broke immediately upon opening. And number two, it looks like number two. I'm gonna go quickly do my mascara and lashes and come right back to wrap this up. Okay guys, I am all done. I was gonna say I'm ready, but ready for what? I'm not going anywhere other than upstairs to clean my entire house. So, I am finished. For the record, I did throw gloss on because the lip color was shit. I don't even have to give you my final thoughts because I did it as we went, but I'm gonna tell you I will be taking this lip stuff off basically immediately. Okay, well, thanks for hanging out. I hope you found that interesting, or at the very least, I hope you found it interesting. I hope it helped you kill some time if that's what you were trying to do, and I hope to see you back at some point. Bye.